Hello students, let's do some more word problems based on simple equation. First question, if 2/3 of a number, half of the same number and 1/7 of the same number is added to itself, then the result is 37. Find that number. Let number be x. Now according to question, it is written 2/3 of a number. Of means multiply. So you can directly write 2 upon 3x plus half means 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 7x and itself means x. So 1 upon 7x plus x equal to 37. What will be LCM of this? 42. Make denominator same for calculation. So 2 upon 3 multiply by 14 upon 14. So simply I'm writing here 2x. Similarly, x upon 2 multiply by 21 upon 21. Then 1 upon 7 or x upon 7 multiply by 6 upon 6 plus x multiply by 42 upon 42. When you will add all, 37 will come. Now after this, 28x upon 42 plus 21x upon 42, 6x upon 42, 42 upon 42 and will be equal to 37. And when you will add all, 28 plus 21, 49, 49 plus 6 is 54 and this will be 55 and this will be 97. 97x upon 42 equal to 37. As you have to find out value of x, so take reciprocal means 42 is in divide, will go in multiply and 97 is multiply, will go in divide. This is reciprocal. And divide. When you will multiply 37 by 42, it will be 1554 upon 97. 97 is prime number. So you will do calculation. So 1554 divide by 97. 97, one is the 97. It will be 4 and 5. 584. Then 16. 97, 16 are 6 7 is 42 and 9 6 are 54. 54 and 4 is 58. Remainder is 2. So your final answer will be, number will be 16 whole 2 upon 97. Your final answer will be 16 whole 2 upon 97. Let's do next question. Second question. If 184 is divided into two parts such that one third of one part exceeds 1/7 of other part by 8, find greater part. It means here divided means distribute. Distribute करना है आपको. So let one part be x, then other part will be 184 minus x. Because जब आप दोनों parts को add करोगे तो उनका addition कितना आना चाहिए? 184. So let one part be x, then other part equal to 184 minus x. Because when you will add both x plus 184 minus x and x cancel, you will get 184. Now you will frame a relationship between this and this. According to question, it says 1/3 of one part means 1/3 of x. I have written like this. Exceeds means bada hai. This is greater. Then 1/7 of other. If you will add, two ways are there. You can do like this. Because if you will add to it 8, 1/3 will come. Or you can do in this way, difference between, it means this is greater, 1/3 part is greater than 1/7 part. By how much? By 8. So you can do in this way also. Both equations are correct. Now open bracket. Multiply by this. I have put arrow because I've seen many students sometimes forget to multiply by second term. So I have put arrow, otherwise this is your wish. If you will multiply, it will come 184 upon 7. Minus and minus become plus. So x upon 7. Write variables on right side and constant on or left side, vice versa. You can write anywhere. So I will write variables on left side. X upon 3 plus x upon 7. Remember, I am not shifting x upon 7 to the other side of equal. This is on the left side, so I am just writing here on the same side. So I will not change value. 8 is already written here. This is minus. When minus will be shifted on the other side, means right side, it will become plus. Now make denominator same. Same will be 21 and here it will be 7. X upon 3 multiply by 7 upon 7 plus x upon 7 multiply by 3 upon 3 equal to 8 upon 1, 7 upon 7 plus 184 upon 7. In this way, we have made denominator same. It will be 7x upon 21 plus 3x upon 21 equal to 56 upon 7 plus 184 upon 7. 7x plus 3x, 10x upon 21 equal to 56 plus 184, it will be 240 upon 7. Now remember, I have told you earlier, if monomials are there, these are monomials, 10x, 240, 7 and 20. If cancellation is possible, cancel it. 7, 1 is the 7, 7 threes are 21. 10 by 10x, and this will be 24. So what is remaining? X upon 3 equal to 24. You have to find out x. Take this in numerator. So x value will be 24 into 3 equal to 72. So therefore one part is 72 and other part will be, you have to subtract 72 from 184. Other part will be 184 minus 72 equal to 112. So therefore greater part, you can say this 112 is greater part is, and now you can counter check also your answer is correct or not. If you will take 1/3 of 72, you can do checking. 1/3 of 72 means 24 and 1/7 of 112, it will be 16. You can see easily difference between 24 and 16 is coming 8. It means your answer is correct. Let's do more questions. Next question. The sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 153. Consecutive means continuous. An odd number. If I will say you 1 is odd number, then 3, then 5. Then what is the difference between this? If you will add 2, you will get next odd number. So let's do this. Let first number be x. Let first odd number be x. Then second number will be x plus 2 and third number will be x plus 4. Every time you will add 2 and you will get consecutive even numbers or odd numbers. In both, you will use plus 2. And according to question, if you will add all, you will get 153. X plus 2 plus x plus 4 equal to 153. So how many x? 3x. 2 plus 4, 6 equal to 153. Keep variables on one side and constant on other side. 153, this plus will go that side, become minus. So it will be, when you will subtract, it will come 147. So x will be equal to 147 divided by 3. So if you will divide, what will come? X equal to 147 upon 3, it means 49. X equal to 49. It means first number 49. Second number is add 2. You will get 51. And third number, add again 2. Or you can add this one. Or you can do 49 plus 4. 53. So if you will add, you will find 153. 49 plus 51, 100. 100 plus 53 is 153. I hope all these questions are clear to you. This is all for today. Thank you for watching it.